Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle at Lunisali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 13th lecture titled What is Data Science? So I have divided my 13 lecture into the following elements as follows. What is data science? What are subsets of data science? Language activities including building vocabulary, and finally your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is data science? Data science can be explained as the science that deals with the identification, representation, and extraction of needful and meaningful information from a pool of data that are useful for the further growth of the business. Subsets of data science. The different subsets of data science includes data analyst, data architect, data engineer. Third element, language activities. The word receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand by using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. Mahieddin received the title of CDSO in his company. Malak received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. Hassan was very excited to receive the title of Web Developer in a new company at Diyar Bahri. Finally, last element, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.